Because culture is not something we just inherit. It's something we carry on and build together. When people think of India, they often think of the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas, but the South holds its incredible richness, ancient architecture, breathtaking landscapes, and classical art and music traditions that have survived for thousands of years. And today I feel proud to carry those traditions with me. I wear my saris proudly. I speak languages that connect me to my ancestors. I hold on to culinary traditions, respect for elders, and a deep sense of community. Because South Indian culture taught me that success is not something we achieve alone. We rise with the strength of the generations before us. We do not need to shorten our stories to make others comfortable. Our names, our languages, and our cultures are not obstacles, they are power. So today I stand here not just as Vi, but proudly as Vaishnavi.